Jim, interesting question here. It says, I was hurt in a wreck. At the time, the other driver said he had insurance, but now he says he doesn't because he's not able to go back to work. I think this kind of is a little COVID twist to it, Jim. What should I do? So at the time of the accident, the other driver had insurance, but now that it's time to kind of get things going legally, he doesn't. What do you think?
Okay, this one I wouldn't worry about too much. Here's sort of what you get when you get insurance, typically for an auto insurance policy or an injury like this. So you're covered for a specified period of time. If you have an accident, let's say in the year 2019, and someone had coverage in 2019 that they paid for and was enforced in effect, the fact that you had an accident in late 2019 but made a claim maybe in 2020, once the insurance maybe has dropped, that usually will not affect coverage. Coverage, the guy was either covered for your accident or not at the time the accident happened in most cases. That is so long as you report it in like a claim in a timely way.
Great point, Jim. That's right. Insurance, especially auto, is kind of done on quarterly, yearly, or something to that effect. Jim, let me throw this at you. What if the other driver wasn't being entirely honest and they really didn't have insurance at the time but thought maybe they were, I don't know, going to try to get a leg up somehow by saying they did, knowing the state laws?
A lot of times people will say I have insurance and they don't, or they have insurance and they're reluctant for whatever reason to make a claim on their insurance and don't want to report it, which is a mistake, by the way. If you have insurance and you're in an accident, you need to notify your own insurance company immediately, whether someone's making a claim or not. Put them on notice. The reason being, you may deprive yourself of coverage by not timely notifying your insurance company. But back to your question, Kenny, if someone has no insurance, and there's a lot of those people out there in this particular state, and a lot of them have very little insurance coverage, you always have the ability to sue the individual and collect for amounts over and above any coverage. If they have no coverage, collect directly from them. That is usually a very difficult proposition. You have to chase assets. People can file bankruptcy. It usually puts you in a very difficult situation. But as a practical matter, whether someone has insurance or not doesn't matter in terms of your ability to bring a claim. You can bring the claim. You may not ever collect much, depending on what that person has, but you have that right.
All right. Very good. I hope that helps out.